Section 1, Introduction. Dear one, welcome to my Dowsing with a Lecher Antenna Basic and Intermediate Level Bioenergy course. And thank you so much for choosing my course. I am your instructor, Anne-Marie Delmotte. I was born in Belgium, where I got a science degree in clinical chemistry. Because I have always been sensitive to all kinds of energies, I looked for an instrument which can measure these energies in an objective and scientific manner. This is the case for the Lecher antenna, which I got over 10 years ago. I did many training courses since, and I'm now conducting my own full-time research with this small but very precious instrument. I mainly got very interested in working with the Lecher antenna for bioenergy after the antenna saved my mother's life. I will elaborate on my mom's case in this course. It is a small investment, but a big step towards your health and well-being in many ways. This course focuses on the bioenergy part. This course is meant for anyone interested in improving their health and well-being and that of their family and friends. This course is also meant for anyone wanting to learn how to measure and balance bioenergies. This course is also meant for anyone wanting to learn how to reduce the electromagnetic radiation of their mobile phone. This course is also meant for anyone wanting to learn how to make objects worn on their body compatible or more compatible. After this course, you will acquire following knowledge and skills. Know why it is important for the bioenergies to be balanced. Know what a Lecher antenna is and how it works. Know how to handle and use the Lecher antenna correctly. Know what a Bovis scale is and how to use it. Know how to do a full reading of your or a person's bioenergies. Know how to check whether objects worn on the body are interfering with your or a person's bioenergies and how to make the objects compatible. Know how to check the influence of mobile phones on your or a person's bioenergy fields and how to reduce its electromagnetic radiation. Know how to do a basic balancing by working on the meridians, chakras, and using chromotherapy by means of color harmonies. Know how to perform distance work. Know how to be able to measure the energetic quality of food. This concludes Section 1, Introduction.